Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root with vaccine. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now this is a new method, so just try because it really works. So for the first thing you need to do, just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, just search for Secure VPN. Now if you're already having this VPN but not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. There are a lot of VPNs, but I recommend this one. So you can see this particular one has more than 100 million plus download. Now once you have downloaded this VPN, just go ahead and then open your Secure VPN. You can see the Secure VPN over here, so open this Secure VPN. Now once you open this Secure VPN, you can see checking network. So just click on connect and then connect to this particular VPN. Then you can see over here connected, so it means we are now connected to this VPN. Now once you are connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to open your browser. You can use any browser of your choice. So in my case, I'll go for Chrome browser. Now once you open your browser over here, then you search for 10-minute mail. So you just search for 10-minute mail, and once you search for 10-minute mail, you can see the first link over here, 10-minute mail. Click on this link. Now once you click on the link, it's gonna take you to this place, and you can see your 10-minute email number, and this email will expire after 10 minutes. So click on copy, and then you can see copied over here. So just copy it, and once you have copied it, just go back, and once you go back, just open your email over here or your Gmail. Now once you open your Gmail over here, all you need to do is to just click on your profile at the top right corner. So you can see your profile at the top right corner. Click on that, and once you click on your profile at the top right corner, you can see over here add another account. Click on add another account. Now once you click on add another account, click on Google. Now once you click on Google, just wait as it is loading, and then you have to verify your fingerprint or your passcode. So you can see checking info. So just wait as it is loading over here. Oh please, I give me love, talking to you on my mind. I can deny me love, I say please. Now in this case, you can see create account. Click on that, and once you click on create account, you can see for my personal use. Click on for my personal use, and once you click on that, you can see create a Google account. So choose your first name. So I'll use and then the first name and then the last name. So once you have entered your first name and then your last name, click on next. So enter your date of birth. So you can choose anyone and then the year. Now you come to your gender, you can select anyone, then you go to next. Now once you click on next, you can see over here it has suggested some email address or Gmail address for you. So you can see pick a Gmail address or create your own. Now we are going to use create your own Gmail address, which is the last option. So click on the last option and now it is asking for your Gmail address. Now let's paste the one that we copied from 10-minute mail. Now don't forget, this email will expire after 10 minutes, so we have to be fast. So you can see at gmail.com is already here, so we have to delete everything including the @ and then you click on next. Now once you click on next over here, it will ask for it will demand for your password. So I have entered my password, then you click on next. Now once you click on next over here, you can see the name that will appear on your Gmail address. So review your account info. So now click on next once again, and once you click on next, boom, our account is created. So you can see the terms over here, privacy and terms. So all you need to do is to click on I agree, and by clicking on I agree, boom, your unlimited Gmail account is created successfully. So with this, you can create unlimited Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,